Let's introduce the Smart Heart Blood Pressure Monitor from Dr. Trust. It comes with irregular heartbeat detection, advanced fuzzy algorithm, and dual talking function. Our product has a high measurement accuracy, reliability, and usability. It has a large LCD screen with our patented zebra lights display with extra large digits. So, say goodbye to the adapter. Our product is compatible to use with a micro USB cable, so now you can easily power the BP monitor using your standard Android smartphone charger cable plugged into any compatible power source. Alternatively, you can power it with the batteries provided. This blood pressure monitor features an innovative talk-on-demand feature which lets you choose the spoken language between English and Hindi, or just mute it if you don't want to be disturbed, and let us go ahead and demonstrate for you.
Systolic 120 millimeters of mercury, diastolic 80 millimeters of mercury. Heart rate 70 beats per minute. According to the World Health Organization's guidelines, your blood pressure is optimal.
डॉक्टर ट्रस्ट बीपी मॉनिटर उपयोग के लिए तैयार है। सिस्टोलिक 135 mmHg, डायस्टोलिक 88 mmHg, दिल की धड़कन 80 बीट प्रति मिनट। विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के अनुसार आपका बीपी ज्यादा है।
If you do not like the talking feature, you have an option to select LAN off option, which will mute the talking feature until you choose to change the selection again.
Language selection is easy. Just press and hold on and off button for 3 seconds to enter the language selection. The default language is English, so press the memory button to switch the language to Hindi and press again for mute.
WHO
indicator that categorizes your blood pressure level according to the World Health Organization's guidelines. Green zone is optimal, yellow zone is elevated, and red zone is high blood pressure. Multiple users. You can easily store data for 2 users, and you can easily switch between users by just pressing the M button. The blood pressure monitor will give you a warning in case of an irregular heartbeat detection. User's blood pressure memory. This Dr. Trust blood pressure monitor stores 120 entries of user's blood pressure results, which it displays your systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse rate. The product includes a universal comfortable conical cuff for arm circumferences of 22 to 42 centimeters, which fits most users. 4 batteries are also included with the blood pressure monitor. Now, get the same consistent and accurate results as in your doctor's office with Dr. Trust blood pressure monitors.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.